I want you to picture a life where chatting becomes a pathway to financial freedom. Imagine the possibilities that lie before you. I mean, you can pay off your debts, you can even start traveling around the world and embrace a new lifestyle, all from chatting at your convenience. I mean, there are companies out there that are willing to pay you $480 just to chat with people. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 websites that are going to pay you between $480 to $2,400 just to chat with people. Now, if you have an internet connection and you have a mobile phone, of course I know you do, so please come closer and let's dive in. So number 1 on my list is chatoperatorjobs.com. If you come over here, you can see chat operators wanted now. Before you go ahead and apply with chatoperatorjobs.com, I want you to know that they pay 20 cents per message. And if you multiply that by 40-hour week, you should be looking at $480 every single week. So if you come over to their general requirements, you can see due to the nature of the website network, you must be open-minded. You must have good grammar and fluent English skills with no text speak. You must answer a minimum of 75 messages over 3 weeks. So if you multiply that, you're going to get a very good figure that you're going to go home with. And payment is weekly to your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet and you live in a country where PayPal is banned, I want you to click this video right here to watch how you can open a verified PayPal account and link your US bank account to your PayPal account so that you can now withdraw from your PayPal account directly to your local bank account. I will also leave the link in the description so that you can watch it after watching this video. Now, to apply on this platform is very tricky because currently they are not accepting, but why I had to include this is because they come on and off. So I want you to keep tabs with them so that once there is an opening, you can jump on it immediately because it's guaranteed that these people pay you a very good amount of money. I would like you to keep tabs on them and check in like every week or every 3 days to check if there is opening so that you can always jump on it immediately. So please make sure you bookmark the website and check on them regularly to see when there is an opening so that you can jump on it immediately and start cashing out. And that brings us to number 2, text121chat.com. Now, this is an amazing platform. They pay more than the previous platform. They pay 70 cents for every message that you send. So if you're going to be chatting all day, multiply that by the number of messages you're going to be sending and see how much you're going to be making. It's amazing how much you can make on this platform. To sign up is very simple. All you have to do is to click on this operators apply here. Now, guess what? If you're from countries that are not listed here, you still have a very big opportunity to get in this job because you can see here, please note that if your country is not shown above, please subscribe here and you'll be notified of any changes to where we are recruiting. Please do not use the incorrect country as your application will be automatically rejected. So please make sure you don't try to manipulate the system. Use your right country if you live in any of these countries that is mentioned here. But if not, you just go ahead and click here. So once you come over here, you put in your name, your email address, your country of residence, and your gender, and you also write about you. You put your about you here, just a very short information about you, and click on submit, and they are going to contact you immediately. There is an opening that they need from your country. So this way you have all your options open. So please don't miss this opportunity. And that brings us to the next platform on my list. Now, before I go ahead and share this platform with you, please make sure that you watch this video to the end because I have a bonus platform that I'm going to be sharing with you that is going to blow your mind. And they are currently paying, they are currently hiring, and you will love it. It's very easy to sign up with them and it's totally for free. So please make sure you don't skip any part of this video so that you don't miss that part. Now, the next one I have for you is textingfactory.com. Here, as you can see, Texting Factory pays an average of $300 every single week. Now, imagine how much you can be making every month working for just Texting Factory. That is $1,200 on average. $1,200 for just Texting Factory. We're not even factoring in how much you're going to be making from other platforms, but for just Texting Factory alone, you're going to be making $1,200. How awesome is this? Now, what a time to be alive. And guess what? You can even be very smart and intelligent with ChatGPT. So as you're chatting with them, if they ask you any question that you don't understand, make sure you run over to your ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT the same question and then deliver the answer to them. So you're going to be very smart. They're going to like it. They're going to give you tips. They're going to give you bonuses and everything. So please go ahead and apply with textingfactory.com. And to do that, all you have to do is to click on apply now, and you're going to fill in your name, your email address, and then you write your motivation for applying for this job. And of course, you're going to agree with terms and conditions and make sure you're up to 18 years of age. So go ahead and apply and enjoy your $1,200 every single month from textingfactory.com. And that brings us to the next one, which is chatrecruit.com. Now, ChatRecruit pays $2.50 for every message that you send. So you're going to be making a lot of money. So multiply that by the number of messages or number of chats you can actually have in a day and see how much you're going to be making from this platform. Now, when you add it all up, you should be earning anything above $1,200 from ChatRecruit.com. And they're even giving you $10 bonus on your first payday. So let's say at the end of the week, you made $480, or let's say you made $600 or $300, they're going to add $10 for you. So you're going to be getting $310 straight to your PayPal account. And that is the reason why you have to open your own PayPal account. You can't really function as a freelancer if you don't have a PayPal account, or at least a Payoneer account. But most of these platforms like this one pay via PayPal. So go ahead and sign up with chatrecruit.com and start making money chatting with people. And that brings us to the next one, and that is TextKing.com. TextKing.com is yet another platform that pays exceptionally well. And on this platform, you can make anything between $800 to $1,000 every single week just by transcribing messages for people. So go ahead and sign up with TextKing and start making money. And that brings us to the next one, which is the bonus that I have for you. Now, this is a new platform that just came out, recently, and is no other than rentacyberfriend.com. Now, Rent a Cyberfriend is an amazing platform. In fact, it should be top of the list because they are actually accepting everyone from any part of the world that you are in. You can simply just sign up with rentacyberfriend.com and start chatting with people and start making your money. But having said that, this platform can actually be problematic, and I'm going to be showing you how to bypass all those issues so that you don't have any issues when you're signing up on this platform. And to sign up on this platform is quite easy. You just go over to sign up. Here you're going to see two options: connect with a cyber friend or become a cyber friend. Click on become a cyber friend. Okay, so here you put in your name, put in your last name, put in your email address, put in your password and confirm your password right here. And then, check this. Yes, I would like to sign up for a weekly newsletter. And then you also check this one, I accept terms and conditions. You can go ahead and read the terms and conditions before you check it, but that will make it only you that reads the terms and conditions, because I don't think anybody reads terms and conditions, and that is actually very bad. It's actually here for us to read it and understand what we are signing up for, but most of us, we don't read it, and we are still alive, right? All right, so all you have to do after filling this form is to click on sign up. I'm going to do this off screen so that I don't waste your time. So now that I've signed up, you can see here it's telling me, dear Charles, thank you for your interest in registering with us. We have sent you an activation link to your email address, yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to go over to my email address right now. So here is the activation link on my email. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link. So now my account has been activated. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in now and show you how to customize it. All right, now I'm signed in. As you can see, everything is brand new, and you're not going to be allowed to do anything until you fill all this information. Now, I'm going to show you two things that you must do, or two things that you must know. Now, if you want to make any changes here, let's say I want to change my profile picture, because you must do all these things. You must write about you, you must put out your profile picture, and then you must put in your interest, and then your language, and then upload pictures to your photo gallery. This is very important because people that want to chat with you will want to check you out first before they can now contact you to chat with you. So you want to present yourself in the best way possible, and that is the way you're going to get a lot of clients that wants to chat with you, because it's going to be competitive very soon. So you want to stand out from the crowd and constantly get clients irrespective of the number of competition that is out there. And you can only achieve that with your tags and your photo gallery. So whatever tag that you use is what they're going to use to find you. And then once they find you, they're going to go through your gallery. And if you don't have your best pictures up, they're going to move over to the next one, and it might be me. So I'm going to be stealing your clients from you. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my amazing pictures right here, and I'm going to show you guys. So after a month, I'm going to make a continuation of this video to share with you how much I've been able to make from this platform. But That shouldn't stop you from signing up. Don't wait for me to make that review. Just go ahead and sign up and let's make the review together. So when I tell you that I made $10,000 from this platform, and I'll read the comment section and I'll see most of you guys telling me that you made $7,000, you made $11,000, you made $15,000 all from this platform. Now, the issue that you're most likely going to face is anytime you want to make an edit like this, you want to make any changes, it's going to log you out. All you need to do is to turn on your VPN. So if you have a VPN installed on your computer, go ahead and turn on your VPN. If you don't have a VPN, download Touch VPN. They have the free version that you can use. Just turn on the VPN and use that. Now, another thing I want you to know is the payment method. The payment method, because a lot of people skip this part. Now, for the payment method, you just click on withdraw earnings. So here you see three options: bank transfer, PayPal, and Stripe. Now, if you live in countries where PayPal work and Stripe work, then good luck to you. You're lucky, you don't have any issues. But if you live in a country like mine, Nigeria, that PayPal is not allowed and Stripe is not allowed, find a link in the description to learn how you can create a working PayPal account that you can create and use it for all these platforms, right? And then also, you can also put in your bank transfer. So you open a domiciliary account with any of the banks, any of the local banks, they're going to open a USD bank account and then you put it here. Or you can get the USA bank account. I've done the video in the past on how to create a US bank account from the comfort of your home. If you have not seen that video, please go here now, not now, after watching this video. So go here to watch that video. I'm going to leave the link in the description as well so that you get to watch it after watching this video, so that you learn how to create a US bank account, and then you're going to put the information here. So since you're already chatting with your friends and your family every single day without getting paid, why don't you go ahead and sign up with these platforms and start making money from chatting with people from all over the world. And the interesting part of it is that you're going to be paid in dollars. So when we are talking about earning in dollars, you too will also be talking about earning in dollars, because in this current economy in Nigeria, you need to earn in dollars to be able to balance the equation, if you know what I mean. And here is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel next. So please go and watch it right now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.